Hello! Today I will show you how to check your battery health with the Ampere app on Samsung Galaxy A25. First, you'll need to open the Google Play Store, because we need an external app for this. Tap on the search box and type in Ampere. Here it is. Then simply tap Install and simply wait for the installation to complete. It shouldn't take a long time because this app is very light. Then simply tap Open. Now you will be prompted to consent to some requests. You can choose whether to consent or not to. I will not for this, for the sake of example. And well, you may be when you decline, you may be prompted to change the consent. Well, we need to consent apparently, so proceed like that. Then you will be shown how to navigate the app. You can tap OK when you are sure that you know how to navigate, and then finally you can check your battery health. Here you can see all the different statuses of the battery, like the power level, the ampere, milliampere level, the model, what manufacturer, what voltage it is, what temperature it is, and finally what health condition it is. That one is the most important one. As you can see, my battery health is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.